Good morning. Today my topic is air compressor. So what is a compressor? Generally, compressor is one of the mechanical device that increasing the pressure of gas by reducing its volume. Compressor widely used in various industrial applications. Mostly the compressors are used in assembly sections. The many of parts is assembling with different gauges and fixes are used, and also important things of timer using. So many applications, assembly sections, the air compressors are utilized. Machine functions, assembly sections, automobile sectors, many areas this is used. Compressors are widely used in the various industries like HVAC systems, domestic refrigeration systems, automobile, manufacturing, shipment areas. Many areas they are utilizing the air compressors. Compressors are classifications of compressors. Classification of compressors are positive displacement compressors. These compressors increasing the pressure by reducing its volume of gases. The reciprocating compressors, the piston drive by a crankshaft to deliver the gas at high pressures. Next one is a rotary compressors. This is one of the positive displacement compressor. Use a rotating element like a screw or van to compress the gases. Many of the rotary compressors used in automobile sectors, car assemblies, vehicle, two-wheelers and four-wheeler assemblies, they are utilizing. The full assemblies and semi-assemblies and raw materials traveling the conveyor. During that time, the employees are standing both sides the conveyor. They are assembling the left and right side of the parts. They are using this rotary compressors. That means the screw driven, nut tight, bolt tight, and also they are making the spot welding, nut welding. That purpose, this rotary compressors fully utilized in automobile sectors. Automobile sectors is one of the examples. Next one is a dynamic compressor. These compressors impart velocity to the gases which then converted into the pressures. Types included centrifugal compressor, axial compressor. The centrifugal compressors are rotating impeller to add the velocity to the gases. Axial compressors compress the gases through a series rotations stationary blades. Now this images is a rotary compressor constructions. The parts is identified in various areas. It's a radial bearing, female rotor, casings, cylinders, pistons and male rotor, female rotors and gears. Many parts are identified. In rotary compressor, the operate by dropping gases between the rotating component and the casings, reducing its volume and increase the pressure. Commonly, two types of compressors are generally utilized. The first one is a rotary screw compressor. Second one is a rotary van compressor. The rotary compressors utilize two immersing helical rotor to compress the gas and its move through the rotors. Rotary van compressor Future a rotor with van slide in and out, trapping, compressing the gases. Next one is a centrifugal compressor. These are the construction of centrifugal compressors. This is one of the examples. This may be varying in based on the applications and areas. Impeller centrifugal compressors attached with the turbine main shaft, air inlet. So they are identified the many parts. The centrifugal compressors increasing the gas pressure by converting into kinetic energy to potential energy. Inlet is the eye of rotary impellers. Gas enter into the center of rotating impeller. Impeller accelerates the gases outward through the centrifugal forces. Diffuser at a high velocity gases then passes through a diffuser where its velocity decreases and pressure increases.